Welcome back to Coyote Classics. Today we're going to be checking out and test driving this 1967 Mustang Coupe. It's a beautiful build, some nice upgrades, including a 5-speed manual transmission. Beautiful red paint, it's got the full console, gorgeous interior.
This is a great car. This is a 4-speed. When I sold this to the guy about 6 years ago, he absolutely loved it. It was a great car then, and it's an even better car now. He put brand new wheels and tires on it. He put a brand new 5-speed manual transmission. Put disc brakes on the front. Just did a lot of nice upgrades on it. And like I said, it was very nice then, and it's even better now. Nice solid undercarriage. Make sure you go to our website, coyoteclassics.com. Check that out as well. This was an older paint. Like I said, I sold it years ago, and it was older paint then. But as you can tell, it's just a beautiful local car show quality, beautiful driver car.
Absolutely.
And the part of driver is exactly what this one is. You can take it to a show, but mechanically, this one is up to snuff, ready to go, and that's how it came in. Horse and corral have a few little pits on it. Other than that, the bumpers are beautiful. Original hood chrome. Very nice Rangoon red paint still. Do have a little chip right here at the very back of the hood edge. Both the gaps on the back of the hood are excellent. Windshield's nice. Got a tiny little paint chip right there. Other than that, the rest of the roof is in great shape. You can see just a little bit of buffing compound right there. How about the gaps on this one? Really nice gaps. The door in the front, the door in the back fit excellent. Really solid behind the rear wheel well. Exhaust, as far as the tips go, I could probably do without the down tips.
It's always an easy change.
Yeah, it's an easy change. There's dual exhaust out the back. You can change the tips if you'd like. Back bumper's in great shape. This is all original stuff, so there is a few little pits in the pop metal here. Look at the paint. When they did a gorgeous job. It's even painted inside the trunk. You have a really nice car cover here in a bag. Just some miscellaneous odds and ends stuff. This is all, look at that. We didn't even go through any of this, dude. Check that out. It's all receipts on that. Yeah, make sure we turn that into the office. That'll all come with the car.
Okay, let's keep it together.
Okay. Extra little parts. Look at the trunk floor and stuff. It's just excellent. All detailed nicely. On the back window area, all looks good. As we open up the door, corner of the door looks nice. Never had any issues, no filler. Again, a couple chips right here along the door. Right here, the door jamb itself. Door panel looks good, armrest looks good, door jamb paint is nice. And as Dalton mentioned, it does have the full console. Light works under the dash, light works in the headliner. Headliner is nice and tight. It's got a little sunscreen here, is all it is for the windshield. Carpet's excellent, seat belts are new. Got 2 seat belts in the back, 2 in the front. Really top-notch interior. It's got the wood grain steering wheel, beautiful bezels, factory AM radio.
All doors open and close access.
They do, and like you said, the passenger side door fit great in the front and back, and so does the driver's side. No issues, no bubbles or blisters here. We've got a couple little tiny little chip right here, scratch, very small. Right here too. Like I said, it's got a couple little things making this a local car show quality older restoration, but it's gorgeous. It really is. Just a quality car through and through. Roof's excellent all the way through here. Door jamb's nice. There's your codes right here. Corner of the door is awesome. Bottom of the door. Once spot on the seat, and the seats are beautiful throughout, but just right here you can see there's a wear through, and that's from this. Watch guys, see how that, just kind of a bad design there for Mustangs. A little bit of wear through there. A guy could have that fixed with a vinyl repair guy. You wouldn't want to put a new seat cover on that. Seat covers are beautiful still. Seat covers are nice. Seat foam is nice. This really feels good, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does. Very comfortable car.
Yeah. Does have a horn button under here. And this 5-speed. With the 5-speed, whoever buys this one, it's got to be a neutral with these 5 speeds to start them. Okay? Won't start in gear.
Oh, nice.
We talked about it. Dome light works, horn works. Oil pressure gauge works. Got great oil pressure. Alternator gauge works. Gas gauge works. We're just under 3/4 of a tank right now.
Even the little seatbelt light works.
Sure does. I hope the buzzer don't.
Yeah.
It doesn't. It went off. But
Original radio.
it is the original AM radio too, ain't it?
That's cool.
This kind of tells you about the quality of this car.
Glove box light works.
Yeah, and it's
Manual
got
there.
the original manual. I mean, this is one. Now, this does not have power steering. It doesn't have power brakes, but it's a Mustang coupe.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? And we'll see that they steer and stop awesome. It's got disc on the front now. Like when I sold it to him the first time, it had drum and it still stopped great, but he upgraded that to disc. Great oil pressure.
Power right back in the seat.
Awesome, look at this thing. Again, no power brakes, not necessary. Look at our pedal, way up top. It feels like power brakes with those discs.
Nice.
Turning indicators work in the dash. Again, your steering. Steers great. Ready to catch up with us a little bit. Here right now. It doesn't. I knew we should have rolled our back windows up too.
It's alright.
We'll do it on the way back.
We don't need to have the back windows up. The front windows are fine for audio anyway.
Alright, here's our high-speed braking. Stop's nice. How about the idle? It idles down nice. Sounds good in here. Yeah, you got your windows up too. So we'll just see what it seems like. It sounds like
I have my back one down yet, but it's fine. Unless you want to do it.
Windows go up and down great. Look at that. Okay, we're up now. I just have a gut feeling it's probably going to be pretty quiet in here.
Yeah.
Just the way it drives, you know, you can just tell it's a well taken care of car, the way the doors fit, all that good stuff. Here's how it shifts. Good power, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does.
Previous owner said that when he did some valve cover gaskets or something, the mechanic he took it to did a little work on it, and he said everything in the motor looked fresh.
Good.
So
That's good.
So it had been rebuilt, you know, years ago, years before this guy bought it, but everything looks really good. And it runs out really strong. Here's our synchros. It's 4th gear, 3rd gear, 2nd. That's 35 mile an hour going down into first and synchroed awesome.
Yeah. Just a great car. Check this one out on our site, coyoteclassics.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next test drive.